Yesterday, a federal grand jury in Kansas indicted 7 individuals, including 5 current and former high-level officers of the Boilermakers Union, for alleged roles in a $20 million embezzlement scheme that spanned 15 years. The defendants, led by 71-year-old former union president Newton Jones and 76-year-old former secretary-treasurer William Creedon, are charged with widespread embezzlement of union funds. Over the last 15 years, the pair led a scheme that included more than $5 million in unnecessary luxury international travel and more than $2 million in salary and benefits to Katarina Jones and Cullen Jones for no-show jobs. They weren't required to work, and 32-year-old Katarina Jones was paid 2 years of salary while living in Ukraine and dating Newton Jones. The union also paid for hundreds of fraudulent restaurant charges for the couple. The union covered hundreds of thousands of dollars in tuition, rent, and relocation expenses for Newton Jones's family, as well as millions of dollars in cash payments for fake vacation time. Additionally, Newton Jones and 76-year-old former Vice President Lawrence McManaman used union funds to spy on employee emails to defend them from internal union charges. Finally, Newton Jones and Creedon drew $7 million in loans from the Boilermakers Union Fund for the Bank of Labor. Not only were they not authorized to provide the loans, but it was a complete conflict of interest. Newton Jones and Creedon allegedly demanded no-show employment with the Bank of Labor and were paid handsomely, including more than $3.4 million each in salary and other benefits. The defendants also include former President Truman Warren Fairley and current Secretary-Treasurer Kathy Stapp. The defendants are charged with racketeering, embezzlement, healthcare fraud, wire fraud, and theft in connection with healthcare and retirement plans. If convicted, they face 20 years in prison on the RICO conspiracy count. The indictment also seeks forfeiture of $20 million. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.